Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how you can create the Advanced Manga Shake Effect in Capcut. So first you can just add your clips of manga like this or picture. And after that, here you can go to Effect. Here in Video Effects, add the Vibration Flash Effect. So just find it in here, vibration flash. And this one right here, add it into your clips and put it in between the clips, just like this. Make sure that the vibration appear at the transition in between the clips. And here, click on object and choose all videos. And now adjust the effect. So put the speed into around 80. And then here, the rest make it 100. Click on a check icon. You can preview the result first. And then after that, you can copy the effect one time, duplicate it like this, and then go to effects again, video effects, and find the ripples effect. This one in here. And click on objects and choose all video. And now set or adjust the speed into around 70 and the twist 100. And for this one, you can put it a little bit after the previous effect. So I'm going to just go with this. And after that, here, don't forget to make it shorter. Okay, like this. And after that, here you can go to effects again and add the shake effect, this one. And here, adjust the speed and intensity to 100. You can put it on a beat if you have ones, or make it a little bit after the ripple effect like this. And you can, don't forget to make it shorter. And here, add two keyframes on the shake effects, one at the start and one at the end. So for the end, you can make the speed and intensity 0. And now you can go back to video effects again and then add the camera shake, this one. Click on object and choose all video. And for this one in here, adjust the range and speed into 100 and put it or in the whole clip just like this. And you can add two keyframes, one at the end and the other one at the start. And at the start in here, just make the range and also speed into 0. And now the last effects that you need to put on is the vertical jitters. This one in here. Click on a check icon and adjust the durations of the effects. Object all videos. And then adjust the speed to 100 and blur into 0 and the longitudinal chromatic into 0. And that's it. So this will be the result. And you can just repeat the step for the rest of the clip. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.